Good morning from a beautiful Betties Bay. This morning I decided to take the drive past Gordon's Bay, and now I'm at Harold Porter Botanical Gardens. I'm gonna go in, take a bit of a walk. There's a beautiful waterfall in here, a stream, just beautiful gardens, a lot of bird life. But I will take you along, so just come with me. So I'm inside Harold Porter Botanical Garden. There's all the amenities are here. There's toilets. There's just behind me there's a restaurant and a shop, and you can buy coffee there as well, takeaway even, some snacks, and then there's some conference facilities, and then here is the outside of the restaurant area. It's very quiet today. It is basically autumn starting now, and it rained a bit this morning, so maybe that's why there's not many people here. And then behind me you can basically see the garden starting. There's the mountains, so it's actually very beautiful here, very beautiful, and it's a nice day today. It's not hot, it's not raining either at the moment, so hopefully. you have the waterfall in the background. It's really beautiful. Obviously there was a bit of rain because it's running quite strongly. You might be wondering about the color of the water being so dark, almost black, but that's natural for this area. It doesn't mean the water is dirty. The water gets its color and its dark color from the roots of the Fynbos trees in this area, and all along this south coast up to the wild coast. Basically you find a lot of rivers that has this dark, almost black water. So I'm almost at the end of the Fynbos Trail, and interestingly enough, if you continue straight now and not turn back to the gardens, you take the Leopard's Trail, which we have done, and actually there's a previous vlog about that one. But interesting enough, yeah, there's even a clear waterfall there coming down the mountains. It's great to see. It's beautiful. So I'm on my way back from Harold Porter Botanical Gardens back to Cape Town. I'm driving the beautiful Clarence Drive, which some people say is the most beautiful drive in the Cape, which I kind of agree with. Clarence Drive as well as Chapman's Peak Drive probably are the two I can think of. Anyway, it's really beautiful. I've stopped here at a viewpoint. Along this drive there's a lot of viewpoints where you can, there's like little parking spots where you can pull off, and then you can just have beautiful views over the sea and mountains on the other side. And sometimes, you know, in the winter time you can even do some whale spotting, because the whales come past here as well. So yeah, it's probably a bit early for that now. I mean, in the season, we in autumn now. Whale season's a bit later. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm seeing.